Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in New Zealand. The link and coupon will be in the description. Open description and click on link eSIM or write in your browser voyafly.com and click on this and write New Zealand and click on this. Open this page and unlimited 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration. Keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright, scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited data and choose a speed plan, light, plus and premium. I recommend plus or premium. And how many days do you need? I need 30 days. Alright, and click on buy it now. Open new page and write discount code ROAM tips. This code in the description and click on apply. This is good, order discount, this is dollars, this is very good, and click on Google Pay. And buy a SIM or write email, write payment and write billing address and click on pay now. And open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address, QR code eSIM and activation instruction. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.